Clean drinking water is one of the most essential needs for any household, and in 2025, Countertop reverse osmosis water filters are leading the charge in delivering pure, convenient, and great tasting water without the hassle of plumbing installations. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 Countertop reverse osmosis water filters on Amazon this year. Let's begin with the ECOVIVA 5-stage Countertop reverse osmosis system. This model is a compact powerhouse that uses a 5-stage filtration process to deliver clean and crisp water every time. It features a real-time TDS meter, letting users see the effectiveness of the purification process at a glance. With a water-to-drain ratio of 3:1, it's also highly efficient compared to many traditional RO systems. One of the biggest selling points of the ECOVIVA is that it requires no installation. Just plug it in and start enjoying filtered water. It's perfect for renters or people who move frequently, and its sleek modern design fits seamlessly on any countertop. Next on the list is the BLUEVUA RO100 Pot UV Countertop RO filter. This unit stands out with its 6-stage filtration process, including a UV sterilization stage that provides an extra layer of protection by eliminating bacteria and viruses. It also has a remineralization stage, which adds beneficial minerals back into the water for improved taste and health benefits. The BLUEVUA comes with a stylish borosilicate glass carafe, making it both functional and elegant. It's a top pick for families looking for comprehensive water treatment with an emphasis on water purity and flavor enhancement. The combination of UV light, remineralization, and superior build quality makes it one of the most trusted premium RO countertop units available. For those looking for added functionality, the OEMIRY 2025 upgraded countertop RO system brings hot water dispensing into the mix. This 4-stage RO system filters down to 0.001 microns and includes a digital LED display for real-time water quality tracking. What truly sets this model apart is its ability to dispense hot water at multiple temperature settings, including options for baby formula, tea, and coffee. This feature makes it a multifunctional appliance that serves not only purified water, but also supports a healthier lifestyle through convenience. It's an excellent choice for busy households or small offices where hot water is in constant demand. Our fourth recommendation is the ISPRING RCD100 Countertop RO system, a high-capacity unit that can produce up to 100 gallons of purified water per day. It's built with NSF ANSI 58 certified components and offers optional UV sterilization. Like the OEMIRY, this model also includes an instant hot water feature, which is great for quick beverages or meal prep. Its plug-and-play design means there's no need for complicated plumbing or permanent installation. The ISPRING is ideal for larger families or heavy water users who want a dependable, high-output solution for daily hydration needs. Finally, we have the WATERDROP CORERO WDC1S Countertop RO system, a compact and eco-conscious solution for modern kitchens. It offers 6-stage filtration, including carbon block and RO membranes, effectively reducing PFAS, lead, TDS, and other harmful contaminants. The CORERO has a clean, minimalist design that occupies very little counter space, and it features a one-touch operation system that makes daily use incredibly simple. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals who value both aesthetics and performance in their kitchen appliances. Plus, its low wastewater production makes it a more environmentally friendly option compared to many traditional RO systems. Thanks for watching. With the right countertop reverse osmosis water filter, you can enjoy peace of mind, better taste, and healthier hydration. No tools or plumbing required.